Good afternoon, everyone. It is class number 12, January 6th for fifth period Thursday, KIT Iizuka 8B, English 8B, your reading class. Okay, welcome back. We have our class. Next week will be a writing class. We have another writing assignment that I want you to do. And again, I'm sorry I haven't finished marking all of your stuff, but I'm going to concentrate on that this weekend. But I'd like to give you a little bit more time learning some new vocabulary. But on top of this Quizlet, today I wanted to do something a little bit different. Most of the class, we've been concentrating on your reading and your writing. Okay. But I thought maybe, just at least once, I'd like you to see what it is that actually is my specialty. And my specialty is speaking. So we're going to be doing some work with Quizlet, and then I'm going to be showing you some speaking exercises. So not reading today, not writing today, speaking exercises. And I'll tell you why a little bit later. But in any case, we've got Quizlet. I'll show you how to do that later. Corrections explanation. This is the video to show you the last week. Where was it? Last week, you had your corrections assignment here. Okay. And you handed that to me, I hope. Well, actually, let's take a look. How many people handed that to me? Did you have a good turnout? Oh, pretty good. 5 more people haven't handed that in, but I think a few people are no longer attending this course. So 23 is not bad. Right now, I've got 23 people in the room. So this is about the right number, I guess. And let me get back to January 6th. So this is the video explaining all of that. And then after you watch that, you can download this document that tells you exactly, or gives you the exact document that I was making when I was making that corrections explanation. Okay. Otherwise, we don't have anything more to do here today besides get you to do this Quizlet. And I want you to take today and concentrate specifically on what I want to show you about speaking. We're only going to do that today because I know that this is a reading or this is mostly a reading course, but I wanted at least to give you a chance to do a little bit of speaking. Okay, so if you have any questions, remember you can always email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can stay behind in this class and talk to me then. Okay, thanks very much.